Hey guys, this is Renzo. As you can see, we're working with RMarkdown. This is an RMarkdown report, but a different one. We're running Python code in RMarkdown to create this kind of reports. We're working with the following library that allow us to create maps. In this case, we're using that library, that Python library, to create maps and put it in an RMarkdown document. This one we just turned into an HTML document. In this video, we'll show you how to set properly Python to run in an RMarkdown document. And at the same time, as a bonus, when you work with Python in an RMarkdown document, you will get these ones. You will get this error message, this warning message will show you how to set the Python chunk in an RMarkdown document properly to send it away, to suppress this kind of error message, warning message in your RMarkdown document. Let's get started. Okay guys, this is our RMarkdown document. We'll show you how to set properly our RMarkdown document to run Python code, to create your reports, but using Python programming language code. We go right to the main chunk of your RMarkdown document, the R setup chunk, this one right here, and you have to load the reticulate package using the library function. Reticulate is a package that set a link between the Python programming language and the R programming language, a link between Python, RStudio, and the R programming language. You have to add this line or use this function, this command. Use Python, where you set the path, where you got install Python programming language in your machine, in your computer, in your laptop. This is the path where you got install Python in your machine. Where do you get that? Where do you get that path? We go right to the CMD and we use this command, where Python, right? Where Python is installed in your computer, in your machine. Where Python, and you copy this one. This is the path where you got install Python in your machine, in your computer. You just copy it and paste it in your RMarkdown document. Just Python and the path where you got install Python. Additionally to that, you got to create the R profile document. This one right here, set the environment, something like that, where you once again reticulate Python and you set or put the path where you got install Python in your machine. R profile, you got to put this file, to create this file in the document folder, right? So sys set environment, reticulate Python, and the path right here. You create this file right here, as you can see, R profile, where you have to set once again the path of where you got installed Python in your machine. Once you got all that, you can run Python code in your RMarkdown document. As you can see, I got this chunk is Python, where we'll run this code to create maps using Folion in RMarkdown. Python chunk, again Python chunk. We got in this RMark document 3 Python chunks. Okay, let's run it. Turn it into an HTML document. It will take a couple of seconds to turn our RMarkdown document into an HTML document. It's running properly, and in a couple of seconds we will get our HTML document. As you can see, we're running Python. This is Python code in an RMarkdown document. Import Folion, all all Python in RStudio, in this case in our Mark document. We just create that HTML document using Python. We got our map. We can change the layers of the map. That's pretty cool. But when you work with Python in RMarkdown, you get these ones, please. These ones right here. Error message, warning message into your final report, and don't go away easily. To suppress this error message when you're working with Python in RMarkdown, all you got to do is to go back to our Markdown document, go right to your Python chunk, and set this one. Results hide. This line right here will send away those those warning messages related to the running of your Python code in your RMarkdown document. We'll go right to the other Python chunks in our RMarkdown document. Yeah, these ones are enough. And run it again. And all those messages, all those warning message, error message related to the running, to the execution of Python code in your RMarkdown document will go away. As you can see, no error message, no warning message in your final RMarkdown report. In this case, we just turn our RMarkdown document into an HTML document. Let's open in Chrome the final report using Python in RMarkdown. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.